Are you looking for the best Dewalt table saw? In this video, we will break down the top 4 Dewalt table saw. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Dewalt 10-inch Jobsite table saw with rolling stand. Dewalt's 10-inch Jobsite table saw is a superb tool intended for contractor use, though DIYers taking on substantial remodeling projects may also wish to consider it for its impressive cutting capacities. It is very well designed and well made, with a table large enough to offer good material support. The precise rack and pinion fence system provides a maximum rip of 32.5 inches, comparable to entry-level contractor saws, yet Dewalt's excellent rolling stand lets users take this saw anywhere. The heavy-duty wheels can handle steps, curbs, and the inevitable knocks of workplace use. It converts quickly from cart-type roller to sturdy 4-legged platform. The Dewalt 10-inch Jobsite table saw has a maximum depth of cut of 3 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. The 15-amp motor runs at 4,800 RPM, providing plenty of power for softwoods and hardwoods. The 24-tooth blade with tungsten carbide tips rips quickly and cleanly through 2x4, plywood, and composite sheets. A miter gauge and push stick are included, and blade changing tools are stored on board. At number 2. Dewalt DWE 7485 8 2/4-inch Jobsite saw. Looking at the specifications above, you can see the areas where these three saws differ, and all the differences relate to specific mission profiles. At a base level, choose any of these three saws, and you get a class product from a known brand with a good reputation and the after-sales service you'd expect of such a company. All three have the rack and pinion fence mechanism, which is essential for accurate and parallel cuts, and all have the powerful 15-amp motor. Ignoring the 10-inch saw for a second, if you're in the market for an 8 1/4-inch table saw, the DWE 7485 is the cheapest of the three by a good margin, with a slightly wider rip fence cut capability and a slightly deeper cut at 90 degrees of blade angle. In all other ways, apart from the power source, you get the same features. The flip-over auxiliary fence appears to now be standard on the Dewalt saws, and it's a great feature, allowing cuts close to the fence and supporting the edge of a sheet beyond the tabletop. The only drawback with this saw is its inability to take dado blades, which will limit you if you are a home woodworker doing cabinet making. However, the cordless model doesn't take them either, so between the two saws. At number 3. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max * table saw. The Dewalt DCS 7485B was the only cordless model that Dewalt makes and is handy to have on hand for a number of reasons. The DCS 7485B uses Dewalt's FLEXVOLT 60V battery, which gives the tool much more power and can use a 6.0 Ah or 9.0 Ah battery for added run times. This is a portable model, so the table is the smallest out of all of the models, coming with a 19-inch by 19-inch table. Instead of a 10-inch blade, it uses an 8 1/4 one, which will drop its maximum cut depth down a bit. The DCS 7485B will not accept a dado blade and has a decent rip capacity for a cordless model, having a 12-inch max capacity to the left of the blade and a 24-inch max capacity on the right side of the blade. At number 4. Skil 15-amp table saw with stand. Whether you're a professional moving between job sites or a do-it-yourselfer heading to a friend's house to help them build a doghouse, the Skil 15-amp table saw is a great choice. It's a lightweight table saw that can easily be transported from one location to another, very similar to the Dewalt 10-inch, though generally much cheaper. This table saw includes a built-in folding stand with legs for easy transportation, a 10-inch blade, an alignment feature to align the blade to the rip fence and motor slot, rack and pinion fence rails for smoother cuts, and a dust collection port for easy cleanup. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.